Hello everyone! Today we're reviewing and discussing the SEO Counts video course created by Leonard Roberson. Every single day, Google processes over 8.5 billion searches, and all those clicks are going somewhere. The question is, are they coming to you or to your competitors? If your website isn't ranking on Google, it's practically invisible. Think about it. When was the last time you clicked on page 2 of search results? Exactly, almost never. So, if you're tired of losing traffic, leads, and sales, stay tuned, because this is exactly what Leonard Roberson teaches in his SEO Counts video course, how to turn your website into a traffic magnet using proven SEO strategies that Google loves to reward. Google's handing out free traffic every single second, but only to those who play by the rules. Most people still rely on outdated SEO tactics that don't work anymore. And that's where SEO Counts changes everything. Created by Leonard Roberson, this step-by-step video training shows you exactly how to rank higher on Google, drive consistent free traffic, and turn those visitors into sales. Each lesson is short, clear, and actionable. No guesswork, no fluff, just results. Why does SEO Counts work? Because it's built for today's Google, not yesterday's algorithms. You'll learn real, up-to-date strategies that attract real buyers. Forget paying agencies $1,500 a month just to try ranking your site. For only $49 one time, you get lifetime access to everything inside SEO Counts. No monthly fees, no upsells, just pure, actionable value. Leonard Roberson is so confident in his system that he offers a 100% risk-free guarantee. Go through the training, and if you don't see measurable improvement, just send an email within 30 days and get a full refund. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. SEO isn't optional anymore. It's essential. And with the SEO Counts video course by Leonard Roberson, you'll finally have a roadmap to consistent traffic, higher rankings, and more sales. Click the link below to get started now and start turning Google into your #1 traffic source today. If you enjoy this kind of review and digital training content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.